How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can restore old photos using GIMP, fix and enhance worn photographs. So I have this copy of this photograph right here that we are going to fix. So the first thing that we want to do is to simply select the heal option. Now you can see that inside tools, click on paint tools, and then we have the heal option. In here, you could increase the properties or simply adjust the properties of this tool. But generally, you could just head over to the parts where there's wrinkle similar to this one. So basically what you can do is to just click on the layer itself, and then you could click and hold in order to simply adjust the wrinkles on our photo. So to start, you simply want to grab yourself a sample first. So what you can do is to just zoom in on the photo itself. From here, you could press Ctrl while on the heal tool, and then let's simply select on a part where there isn't much damage. So I'll be using this part. And then from there, you could just click and drag in order to simply reduce this wrinkled parts. So you could just keep doing this until you have completed the whole photo. As you can see, it's getting better as we have made, or as we are making this few changes right here. If you want to grab yourself a new sample, you can just maybe click on another one. Let's maybe clear this one. So I'm going to click on the sample right here, and then we could get back to work by clicking and dragging our photo or our heal tool. So let's do the same thing for the hair right here. And generally, to make the video faster, I'm just going to finish up with this one. So let's say that you have removed all of the wrinkles and etc. Now what we can do is to simply head over to colors. And then the first thing that you want to do is to click on the brightness and contrast. And from here, adjust the image the way you want to. So maybe you want it to be similar to this one where we could get a higher quality photo. Click on OK. And what we can also do is to apply another filters. So maybe you want to do something like generic filter, or generally what I love to do is to just apply another set of color filter. So maybe let's do something like exposure right here. Click on OK. And if you want to add some additional colors, you then want to navigate through the hue and saturation. So let's go ahead and put something onto this image right here. You could edit out the red, magenta, blue, cyan, green, and yellow right here. And so that's basically how you do it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.